Learning to self-feed is a very important development stage for your baby. Your baby may start showing interest in feeding themselves at around 10 months of age, which is the best opportunity to let your baby practice their self-feeding skill. In the beginning, your baby might make a mess and overturn everything. Try not to get angry and provide help where they'd need support. Your baby may not be used to the new method of eating right away, so you can sit next to them to monitor their tolerance towards the different textures and how much food they're having to prevent choking. Your baby will also learn how to self-feed by observing how kids and adults eat. Encourage your child's progress by praising early attempts at using a spoon. Comments like "great job" will go a long way to help build your child's self-confidence. Stay tuned for more parenting tips.